Next question number 26. Which quantum number reveals about the shape, energy and orientation and the size of the orbitals? The answers are principal quantum number, size and energy. Magnetic quantum number reveals the orientation of orbital. Angular quantum number reveals the shape of the orbital. The next book back question is, how many orbitals are possible for n is equal to 4? The answer is 16 orbital. So it should be given with the divided, the overall total is given at the bottom. It should be written like this, 16 orbital. Next book back question number 28. How many radial nodes for 2s, 4p, 5d and 4f orbitals exhibit how many angular nodes? So in this question we have to calculate both radial nodes as well as angular nodes for the given data. So first tabular column, orbitals, as per the question we have written as 2s, 4p, 5d and 4f. N value, n means orbit. So for 2s it is 2, for 4p 4, 5d 5 and 4f 4. What is L value? For s orbital the L value will be 0. For p orbital the L value will be 1, and for d orbital the L value will be 2, and for f orbital the L value will be 3, which we have learnt already in the quantum number question. So next one, what is radial nodes? The formula to calculate radial node is n minus L minus 1. So while we substitute this formula, we can get the L value for 2s orbital as 1, and for 4p orbital as 2, and for 5d orbital as 2, and for 4f orbital as 0. So by using this formula we can able to calculate the radial nodes. And finally angular node, the formula to calculate angular node is just L. So what is the L value? The same will be as the angular node. So it is written as such as 0, 1, 2 and 3 for 2s, 4p, 5d and 4f orbital respectively. The next book back question number 32. Define orbital and what are the n and L values for 3px and 4d x square minus y square electron. They have given the definition for orbital and they have given the n and L values for the two mentioned orbitals in the tabular column. Next 35th question. Determine the values for all the quantum numbers of the 8th electron in oxygen atom and 15th electron in chlorine atom and the last electron in chromium atom. Totally oxygen has 8 electrons. We have to calculate the 4 quantum number value for the last electron, that is the 8th electron. Chlorine has 17 electrons, but we have to calculate the 4 quantum number value for 15th electron. And chromium, as usual, last electron we have to calculate. Okay, chromium atomic number 24, we have to calculate the quantum number value for the 24th electron. So they have given the answer for the 3 elements. You can have the answer. Next 36th book back question. The quantum mechanical treatment for the hydrogen atom gives the energy value En is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square electron volt per atom. Using this expression, find the delta E between n is equal to 3 and m is equal to 4. And second one, calculate the wavelength corresponding to the above transition. The answer is given below. You can have a reference over it. The next book back question 38. For each of the following, give the subshell designation, the allowable m values and the number of orbitals. N is equal to 4, L is equal to 2. And second subdivision, N is equal to 5, L is equal to 3. And third subdivision, N is equal to 7 and L is equal to 0. So just they have given principal quantum number value and azimuthal quantum number value. Based on that, we have to give the subshell designation, m value and total number of orbitals. Next 41st question. An atom of an element contains 35 electrons and 45 neutrons. Deduce the number of proton, electronic configuration of an element, all the 4 quantum number for the last electron. The answer they have given simply, can have a view over it. Next book back question number 51. Identify the missing quantum number and the sub-energy levels. So they have given a tabular column, a question in the form of tabular column, and they have given some missing quantum number. You have to identify the answers by using the 4 quantum numbers theory concept. So these are the book back questions that covers from topic number 8 to 12 and from book page number 44 to 48. Learn all the questions well and be prepared with the answers. Thank you.